How to book a ticket in Etihad Airways. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can book a ticket here in Etihad.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget that in the description of this video you're going to find the website and sign up links for Etihad.com. So first of all, here in book you have three options here. First, if it's a round trip or just one way, or even a multi-city ticket. Okay, by now I'm going to assume this is going to be just one way. You have to select how many adults are going to travel here, how many orders are you going to do, if there are some children's, infants, or even infants with seat. Okay, also if your class is going to be economy, business, or first class. And then once you have selected the data you need here, by now I'm going to do it just by one, you must select the city you are flying from, flying to. Now here in outbound, I forgot to say this, is the day that you want your ticket to proceed. So as you can see, there are different dates, and the numbers above each number, it's going to be the price, the best price you're going to get. Obviously, there are going to be some other prices depending on the schedule, the hour of your flight. But let's suppose I would like to get this because it's the cheaper. And, sorry, I forget that is just going to be one way. So you can also click here in promo code in case you have a code in order to get a discount. And also if you get a card and you're able to pay with miles, check this button. Okay, by now I'm going to search flights. So here is where you can check the time of your flights. Also, if there are some services in the airplane, as you can see, there are different services here. Here in these tickets, we don't have any services. And also the airplane that is gonna take you to the another city, the class where you're gonna travel, in this case economy, and also it could be business. This is going to be the price. You can expand this and select some other parts, because as I told you, this is going to be the cheapest price. But as you can see, if you have some other options, it could be around also just to 1,790 just in the economy class. I mean, it's the same, but you're gonna have more weight into your baggage. You can change your schedule, you can refund also and get some miles. So it depends on what you want. Okay, once you have selected you can click on continue and continue with the info. So you must get your title as an adult, your first name, last name, and also get the contact information, so the country code, contact number, and email address. I'm just gonna fill this out in order to continue. And also if you would like to receive exclusive offers and news from Etihad. So by now I'm not gonna receive anything. Click and continue again. And the last part of this is to select the shore where you want to travel. So remember, this is the front of the aircraft. And at the bottom, usually there are the bathrooms too, okay? And the back of the aircraft. So once you have selected, you can also click on add seats later. I'm gonna suppose this is my seat. I'm going to update my seats. You can continue with extra, okay? If you want to add an extra bag or something else, there is a price by now. You click on continue. And the final step is just to pay. You can pay with credit or debit card, Etihad Guest Miles, Etihad Credit, or even PayPal. And this is the cards that are acceptable here in Etihad.com. You just have to fill the data and to click on Pay Now. Also, you have to accept to agree the fare and baggage rules of Etihad.com. And that's how it works. That's how you can book a ticket in Etihad Airways. Thanks for watching.